Hi guys, it's Elissa at Moat Cottage Homesteading. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make bath salts, and we're using things from the garden. What you will need is some Epsom salts, and that's essentially magnesium sulfate. Place it in a bowl. Now the amounts depends on the size of jars you're making and how much you want to make. To this you add dehydrated herbs, flowers, peels, whatever you like to colour and scent it. And you also need pure essential oils to complement what you're putting in there. First up, we're making orange bath salts, and for this you'll need to chop up some dehydrated orange peel. I've got a video on how to dehydrate orange peel. Add in your pure essential orange oil and give that a good mix in so that it's evenly dispersed throughout all the Epsom salts. If you don't have a funnel that suits the jar size that you're using, use a piece of paper. And pour your bath salts into the jar. Next we'll make some lavender bath salts. So we add our Epsom salts, dehydrated lavender flowers, breaking them up so they're the right consistency that you want. Add your pure essential lavender oil and mix that in well. Pour it into your jars. Other types of bath salts I like to make are lemon, tangerine, rose petals, and I just chop them up the same as I showed you in these ones and use the matching pure essential oil that goes with them. And all you need to do to use the bath salts is add a couple of tablespoons into your warm bath water. The Epsom salts will dissolve and the petals or peels or whatever you're using will float around in the bath and it will be lovely. And if you don't want them going down the drain with the water, make sure you pop in a little sieve or a bit of stocking or something like that to catch all your bits and pieces, and then you can just add them into the compost after. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.